LG actually has a vision of where the smart home in the future will be. The smart home in the future will see an interconnection between the panel, the battery, a home energy management system, and the appliances in your home. And then you will be able, maybe through your phone and other tablets and other devices, to be able to control parts of that. So right now already we have abilities to actually turn on the lights and turn off the lights remotely to give additional aspects of security. We are able to have connectivity of the TVs now with Google Play and with Google itself, and we can even talk to our TVs and they actually, follow our commands that we're talking. So this is the LG technology that's now developed. Moving forward, there will be actually a much more homogeneous grouping, not just with LG product, but actually it will talk to other products as well. That's really where the future goes. But the key to drive all that and to drive the energy consumption will be the panels, as well as the inverters, as well as the batteries. So yes, LG is now working on batteries, on inverters as well. So in future years, you will be able to get a whole holistic one LG solution for your battery and energy needs. What it also means is that where the technology will lead us in the future is that the battery use will be kind of categorized. So if during the day you're out, you've put your washer dryer on, your phone will suddenly give you an option that after the washing cycle is finished to actually go into dry cycle just by pressing the button, because you actually got free energy coming out of your solar system. So that's how the whole concept of the future will be. To build and get the right building block to start this process, you need a top quality system from somebody who is involved in that technology like LG to start off the whole process.